Hi Crafty Friends, Lacey the Cheeky Bum, and I'm coming on with a project share. I have a Scrap Diva project share that I thought that I would share with you. Before I package it all up, I was just about to package it up. I packaged one up and I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna seal this so I can share it. So I have a Maggie Home swap that I'm working on, and some of the new stuff just reminds me of Maggie Home. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to use a lot of this new stuff in the Maggie swap. So that's why it's very Maggie Homes-ish. So the first thing I did was made some bows. So I made, these are the, let me grab this real quick. So this is just the lace border bow. And these bows are so cute. They cut like butter, and I just left them somewhat plain. So I used gold glitter to have some kind of pizzazz, but I didn't want to use pattern paper so that they could put these are kind of like the traditional Maggie colors. So I feel like you can put these with just about any collection. Like I've cut out Garden Party right here, but I feel like you could use this with Carousel, Flourish. What's the other one? Magnolia. I feel like quite a few of them. Like some of the newer ones are slightly like different color. Like Gingham Gardens is a slightly different color palette. Woodland Grove is a slightly different color palette, but some of these you could use. Anyway, I left them somewhat plain, but these are easy and so fun to put together. I will put that with that. And then I used some of the new swap words. So these are the swap partner words one, and I've only used bows, but I was like, oh, why not use bows? And then the scallop circle, like I really did like utilize what I had. So I used the oval part right here, like the doily part and this part. And this is the belly bands. What is this called? So these are the belly band duo. So I thought about using the heart, but I used the oval because the bows fit so well within there. So I used that. So I popped up the bows. So the bows, it is a very thin word, and I thought about popping this up on foam, which I think this would have cut through foam pretty well. I think some of the other girls have done it. But you get your cursive word, and then you get your stitched layer, your shadow, and then you get the shadow behind that. So it's like a double shadow. And then here's this little doily. I thought about popping up the centerpiece, but I didn't want to make the bag topper too dimensional. And then I just put it on like a rather simple bag topper. I just cut out, I think it's like a 3.5. No, maybe it's a little bit wider than that. I think it's a 4 by 5. Fold it in half, rounded the corners, and I did put some sickles on the little yellow flowers to give it a little bit of pizzazz. And I just put this pom-pom trim along the bottom, and I added a little mustard bow right there. So that is fun. But yeah, these are really fun to use. I really like this belly band. I've used it a couple times. I haven't used the heart one yet, so I'm going to play with the heart one. I think I'm going to make some belly bands for the swap as well, because they're just so pretty, and they just like if Maggie Homes was to come out with some dies to go with their collection, I think that these would have worked really well. Like the bow, the belly band, the swans, they're all so Maggie Homes. So I'm going to be making the swans as well. So that'll be a project share coming up, or at least some pictures. But please make sure you're following the hashtag scrapdivadesigns so that you can see like all the projects that everybody makes with all these wonderful dies. This is a really good release. There's a little bit for everybody. There is shabby chic, there is graduation, there is wedding, there's a little bit of fairy tale. Like it's a good all around. Like you will find something within this June's release, because there's a little bit of something for everyone. I'm really loving these and the belly bands, because again, you can use these and it's so universal. I really like the words because I have plenty of swap words, but I like that it's a double double shadow, and I really like the font. The font is really fun. So if you have any questions, let me know down below. I will link everything that I used down below. It is an affiliate link, so if you do, I get a little bit of a kickback, and you can also use code CHEEKYBUN to save yourself 10%. And please go check everything out. If you haven't seen the full release yet, I will also link down that video of the sneak peek, because there's so much in this June release. I believe there's 18 different dyes. So there, like I said, there is something for everyone. So please go check it out. And yes, please let me know if you have any questions. If not, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.